Hey everyone, what's up? My name is TJ and you are at RC with TJ3. This is my brand new channel that I am starting to share my hobby with you guys and also try to create some great content that you guys will love. I'm going to be recreating battles, going to be constructing awesome scale models, going to be doing paint jobs, going to be getting all kinds of sick camera action and experiments and testing all sorts of great stuff. So thanks so much for being here. Please make sure to click subscribe, make sure to like the video and comment if you have any suggestions, feedback, or anything else. So without further ado, I want to introduce you guys to my new plane and tell you what we're going to be doing in this video. This is my P-40 Warhawk. As you can see, I have painted it with the shark teeth, the famous shark teeth on the front. I'll show you guys the paint job details here in a sec. We actually built this out of foam board using a kit that we got. Next video, we are actually going to be sticking a GoPro inside the cockpit so you guys can see first-person view from flying the plane. It should be pretty awesome. So let's head to the airfield and check it out. Alright, hey guys, what's up? We're out here at the park. We're going to see if we can do a little bit of flying now. It is a little bit windy, so we may have a challenge there, but everything seems in order, so let's see if we can get in the air. Landing could use a little bit of work, but we'll take it. It's in one piece. So let's go see if we can put a GoPro in the cockpit for our next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Pretty cool. We're going to see if we can make some awesome upgrades. Please make sure to click subscribe, comment if there's anything you want to see, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.